In April 2025, I was laid off from my position and I decided to invest in myself. So I went to the PMI website and looked for learning partners and I found Simplilearn. When I was on the job hunt last month, it only took me a month to get job offers, and I had organizations competing for me. My name is Amber Morrison-Kaiser. I live in Portland, Oregon, in the Pacific Northwest. I have been in healthcare leadership for 25 years. I have an associate's degree in business, a bachelor's degree in healthcare administration, and a degree from Harvard Business School for organizational leadership. In leadership, I was taught how to do project management for leaders, and I loved it. I was taught a very basic course for Lean and Six Sigma, and I used those skills for 20 years, but I didn't have any credentials for them. I didn't have anything to put on my resume to prove that I had the skills. In April 2025, I was laid off from my position, and I decided to invest in myself to get some receipts that I know how to do project management. I know Lean Six Sigma. So I went to the PMI website and looked for learning partners, and I found Simplilearn. I went to the website and I found the PMP master's program. And the thing I loved about it was low barrier to entry. And what I mean by that is the cost to do the program was affordable. I was able to make payments over 12 months. And I loved the package. It was an all-in-one for Scrum and ACP, PMP, Lean Six Sigma. And I loved that it was hybrid. It was live classes. You needed to be there. And I wanted that. I wanted a live experience with an instructor who I could ask questions to in real time. I wanted classmates around me. And in my cohort, I wanted to build relationships with others and have study groups. What I really liked about it, the two things was my instructor was amazing. He was amazing. I still keep in touch with him to this day. He knew project management sideways, back, forth, front ways. And I appreciated that he would teach something and then he would give us an opportunity to ask questions live. It wasn't a workshop, it was interactive. Also, I got to meet people from all over the world and I made friends with them. We created a study group. I made friends with them and we studied together, and we still cheer each other on as we build our careers. Since I finished getting my PMP certification, my Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, my certified Scrum Master credential, when I was on the job hunt last month, it only took me a month to get job offers, and I had organizations competing for me because of all my credentials. Every single one mentioned, wow, your credentials are impressive. Not only that, but I'm building my own business now, a coaching business. And the skills I learned from project management theory, the things that I didn't know, that helped me build my business. Don't hesitate to register. Your life will change. My life changed. Your life will change. And if I can do it, anyone can do it.